We've arrived at the first stage of day 7. It's a slow race in the greenest pasture we've seen so far. The goal of the contestants is to not put a foot down and spend the longest time possible inside the course as a group before exiting. If you find yourself in the middle of Mongolia and you've run out of gas, what do? Well, you take your buddy and you go get some gas. This is the 2-Up Shell Challenge. The goal is for both competitors to ride around the trials course, one on the back, holding 2 fuel cans as fast as they can. Mongolia is a primarily Buddhist country, and this shrine is one of many we've seen where its people come to worship. The weather gods have been super friendly for us the last 7 days of riding. Let's hope it stays for tomorrow, day 8.